We all want to feel our best, right? Exercise is like magic for your body and mind. It's not about being a super athlete, it's about feeling good and having more energy. Small steps can make a big difference. Let's explore how to get moving and enjoy the benefits. Ready to feel fantastic? Let's dive in.
Exercise does so much more than just tone your muscles. It invigorates your mind, boosts your mood, and enhances your overall well-being. Whether you're lifting weights, doing push-ups, or practicing Pilates, every movement counts. The World Health Organization says regular physical activity helps control weight, strengthens bones, and improves cardiovascular health. It also promotes mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Exercise reduces the risk of serious health problems, such as obesity, hypertension, and osteoporosis. It's a holistic approach to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's like a superpower against heart disease, helping to keep your heart strong and efficient. Regular exercise can lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. It also combats stroke and type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Pairing exercise with a balanced diet amplifies these benefits. And even some types of cancer can be prevented or managed with regular physical activity. Exercise boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off illnesses more effectively.
Think of exercise as your secret weapon for a longer, healthier life. It's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. Enjoying activities with loved ones can make exercise fun and fulfilling. Ready to unlock your inner superhero? Start with small steps, like putting on your running shoes or stretching before a workout. Every little bit helps. Let's find out how exercise can benefit you inside and out. Join a community, take a class, or simply move more each day. The journey to a healthier you begins now.
Ever notice how good you feel after a walk or bike ride? It's not just in your head. That sense of well-being is real and has a scientific basis. That's your brain thanking you. When you exercise, your brain releases chemicals like endorphins and serotonin, which are known to improve your mood and make you feel happier. Exercise is a natural mood booster. It doesn't matter what kind of activity you do, whether it's lifting weights, running, or even a group fitness class. Your brain reaps the benefits. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and even fights depression. Activities like yoga and meditation can be particularly effective in calming your mind and reducing stress levels. It also helps you sleep better and gives you more energy throughout the day. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes your way, all thanks to regular exercise.
We've seen how exercise benefits your mind, helping you feel more relaxed, focused, and happy. Now let's create a plan to make it a part of your life. Start by setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and finding activities you enjoy. Consistency is key to reaping all these amazing benefits. Section 4. Creating a routine that works for you. Starting an exercise routine doesn't have to be hard. It can be as simple as finding a few minutes each day to move your body. Find activities you enjoy, because when you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, like dancing, swimming, or hiking. These activities not only keep you fit, but also bring joy and excitement to your routine. Start small. You don't need to commit to an hour-long workout right away. Even 10 minutes of walking a day is a great start. Gradually, you can increase the duration as you build stamina and confidence.
Put on some music and move. Music can be a powerful motivator, turning a simple workout into a fun and enjoyable experience. Having a workout buddy can keep you motivated. They can provide support, encouragement, and make the experience more enjoyable.
Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress. Tracking your achievements can help you stay focused and motivated.
Remember, every step counts. Each small effort contributes to your overall fitness journey.
Ready to make exercise a habit? Consistency is key. Find a routine that fits your lifestyle and stick with it. Let's embark on this journey together. With determination and the right mindset, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy the process. Starting your exercise journey is a wonderful gift to yourself. Section 5, your journey to a healthier you.
And celebrate your achievements. Listen to your body. Be kind to yourself. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress.
You've got this.
Now go out there and make it happen.